Good morning, everybody. It's May 30th, 2025, and we're going to just do something in a Sharpie this morning for homeroom as we talk about math. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy. Okay, there's your basic portrait. Uh, and I promised, or I've mentioned that we might talk about math. And I still say we might. I don't know for sure. And if you get these Sharpies, that little congested little bit of like coughing that I just did a little bit, there's a kind of a cheap, this is not actually, you know what, to be honest with you, I recommend the Crayola, anything Crayola, made by Crayola, because it's non-toxic. And, I use this. I use the Sharpie because I go to the dollar store, pay $1.50, get a Sharpie from wherever. I mean, it's may or may not be, one thing's for sure. I can tell that there's a kind of a toxicity to the quality of the whatever chemicals are. It's going on really good, but there's a price to be paid, which is possible. I don't know for sure, but it's possibly toxic. And that even if there's a possibility of something being toxic, I don't recommend it for kids. However, we're going back to math. Before I sign off, the last thing we did was somewhere around 28 times 28. Let's do 27 times 27, simply because we're doing squares all the way up to 36 square in our heads. And we'll do some of the cubes in the lower quantities. But let's concentrate on squares, because if I try to do a cube in my head, a double digit times a double digit times a double digit cube, it can get, while I'm drawing, it can get almost impossible for me, although we could try it. So let's go ahead and try 27 cube, but I don't think I'll get that far. I'll probably end up just getting to, I'm just being realistic, and I will probably just get to 27 square and then the next step, without being able to do the full 27 cube in my head right now while I'm drawing. So let's do it. So 27 cubed is the same as 27 square times 27. So let's do 27 square, which is the same as 27 times 30 minus 3 times 27, which is 27 times 10 times 3, minus 3 times 27. So 27 times 10 times 3 is 270, times 3 is 6, plus 70 times 3 is 210, so 810. So 27 times 30 is 810, minus 3 times 27, which is 60, plus 21, which is 81. So 810 minus 81 is 731 times. So we got that far. So then 731 times 27. Try to do it in your head. I can't. I'm not even going to try. Maybe I will try, but I'm going to crash and burn. Okay. So 27 times 731 is the same as 3 times 731 minus 3 times 731. Or rather, 3 times 731 plus a 0 minus 3 times 731. 3 times 731 plus a 0 is 300. 3 times 731 plus a 0 is 3 times is 2,100 plus. I told you I'd crash and burn. You do it in your heads. Don't use your calculator. To be continued.